This is the Google's official Android emulator for PC. It is called Google Play Games on PC Emulator. So, there is this app, maybe you already know about this, from Google for PC called Google Play Games on PC. It's still in beta. So basically using this, you can play Android games on your PC. It's pretty cool actually. So it's the official, Android gaming software for PC, and it works pretty well. You can't access the Android features in this software. You can only download and play the games that are already available here. You can't install APKs or anything like that. But there is this Android emulator called, it has really long name, Google Play Games on PC Developer Emulator. This actually gives you the full Android interface and feature. So you can install APKs, you can test your games, apps, and everything. This is made for devs, but anyone can use it. So there are actually two versions of this. One is stable, one is beta. I'm on beta. And guess what? This thing is running on Android 14. Okay, so here you can see it's the Android 14. And as of me making this video, I think this is the one and only Android emulator which runs on Android 14. And this thing runs like butter. Okay, this isn't some traditional, Android emulator with key mapping and all that. It does have key mapping, even though you can access all the Android features here, like you can go into the settings and all that. It just looks like an Android emulator or Android phone. It has all the features, but this is actually a separate, whole another Android emulator just made for PC, actually made for Google Play Games for PC. Even the Google Play Store is made for this emulator only. It only has some limited games and apps. No, actually there are no apps, only the games. This is made for gaming only. So you can see there are a couple of games that you can download. Let's actually download, why not, this game. Okay, so it just works just like Android phone or Android emulator. And I have a couple of games already downloaded here. You can see I have the Free Fire. This is like a battle royale game, really popular. And there are many other games. So let's play this game. All right, look at this. The performance on this thing is really good. I can do F11 to go full screen, I think. Yeah, just like that. And look at this. I'm using my mouse and keyboard to control this. To see the key mappings or controls, you can click on Shift tab here. You have exit game, view game controls, and you can also customize them. Some games offer you to customize these controls, some games don't. This game doesn't have the option to customize these key mappings, but you have the key mapping options here. Okay, you can use your mouse and keyboard to control the characters and everything. All right, this is pretty cool. Now here is the thing. So there are no apps and games on actual Google Play Store in here, because this Play Store is made for this only, actually made for Google Play Games for PC, so devs can test the games before publishing over there. But you can use ADB to install any APK in here. So here you can see I have a couple of apps installed here. Gemini, it's an app. This doesn't work actually. Gemini doesn't work. Google app is also installed here. I also installed this app called Navigation Bar. With this app, we can get the navigation buttons in the simulator, because the simulator doesn't have any navigation buttons. You can use Control B and Control H to go home, to go back. That's how you control it. Now you can use ADB to install any APK in the simulator. If you want GUI, I recommend you guys to use this tool called AOW Tools. It is available on Microsoft Store for free. And with this, you can easily install APKs. So here you can see we have the option to click to add APK or drag APK here. So let's download a APK file from the F-Droid. You can download from anywhere that you want. Okay, just for this test, let's say I want to download this launcher. And one more thing, even if you download a third-party app store, or like even like F-Droid, it won't be able to install APK because this emulator doesn't allow you to install APK manually, even if you get APK from within the browser of this emulator. So you have to get APK from outside and install it through ADB. That is the only way to install APK in this Android emulator. Now I can simply do the drag and drop here into the AOW tools, just like that. And we should see that app in this simulator here. Yeah, you can see Easy Launcher. Oh, this is the lock screen. Okay, this doesn't work well with the tablets, I guess, but you can see it is actually working. Let's download another open source app here, I guess. So this time, this is a mail app, I think. So let's install this. It is installed, and here you can see it is called Fair Email. So I'm gonna open that, agree, and you can see it's working just like that. So you can install any APKs in here, but you have to use ADB, or if you need GUI, you can use this tool that I use, AOW Tools. It's available in Microsoft Store. It's free and works pretty well. And you can go into the devices, and here you have to select this device, and you can get more info about the device. Actually, this is the emulator, but you can also connect your phone to your PC, and you can also use this to install APKs to your phone. So yeah, as of now, this is the only Android emulator which runs on the latest Android version, Android 14. Android 15 is also coming, I know, but it's still in beta, which means Android 14 is the latest one. And you can also emulate it, which is great. Plus you can play games and all that. And the performance is actually really good. So remap controls. This game actually lets you, okay. So you can see you can also customize the key mapping. This is only available for those games which are actually made for Google Play Games for PC. So that's that. It's not, again, as I said, full-fledged normal Android emulator. It's different. The devs have to port their game to Google Play Games. Then you'll have the key mapping option and all that. But the games which doesn't require key mapping, like you can just click and play, like Candy Crush or something, yeah, you can download those games through ADB and play. Yeah, and they will work flawlessly, just like this game. This game is actually officially supported by Google Play Games for PC. Oh yeah. Okay, enough, I think. Yeah, this simulator is great for anyone actually, because this simulator actually works really well. Probably, in my opinion, the fastest and smoothest Android emulator. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. But if you still have any questions or you want to discuss something, you can always do the comment. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.